Project here is Legacy Wharf Phase 2. At the moment we have 6 blocks going. It can be mixed use, residential and commercial. The installation process, nice and easy. It's a step-by-step guide from Konnekt. They come out, they do a bit of a briefing with the lads beforehand so everyone's aware of what's happening. We unload the stairs, we get them ready to be installed. We attach the K100 system onto them. So as we're installing them with the crane, the balustrade system's already in place. The main benefits with the K100 system is it's quick and easy to install. The pre-design stage, we had Konnekt liaising with flood precast to ensure the sockets were all installed at the right height. So when the K100 system came to site, along with the precast stairs, it was just a matter of installing them, using 2 bolts in each section, lift the precast stairs into place, install them, and we have the handrail system in place. I would recommend using the K100 system over traditional systems, primarily because you can install the balustrades with your precast flights as and when they're going up. There's no need for edge protection, there's no need for tube and fitting temporary handrails or anything like that. The K100 does it all. Konnekt improve health and safety on the job because it's minimising working at height. We can install the balustrades on the ground floor as the flights come in. Once they're installed in situ in the cores, the handrail's in place. The advantage of balustrade not needing to be welded entirely eliminates the need for any hot works, so it eliminates the need to bring in a welder. It eliminates any risk of fire happening within the cores, which is massive for us on a job like this with some of the cores going up 9 stories.